let's explore the new preset export feature in Krotos Studio Pro. Whether you're working with a team, moving between studios, or just creating presets to share with the community, Preset Export ensures that your sound effects are ready to go when you are. Exporting presets couldn't be easier. I have here a cinematic drum preset that I've designed and I want to share. To do this, click the Share button in the top right corner, name the preset, and choose a save location. And that's it. The preset is bundled into a single file and ready to share. You can share between your own devices, for example through AirDrop. You could share it on social media for anyone to download. Or you can collaborate with your team and share presets that are needed for a larger project. The possibilities are endless. Share the preset however you like and it will work seamlessly when it's received. With Preset Export, you can share presets across projects, download presets from other creators, and if you aren't a Krotos Studio Pro user and don't need to create presets, then no problem. You can still import and use any presets that are shared, no restrictions. Try the Preset Export feature in Krotos Studio today with your 7-day free trial.